Good day, everyone. My name is Gomir Sibinyas, and today I will tackle the 8 best group policy in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And the first thing we need to do is type run, then type the gp edit.msc. So the group policy will be pop up in our screen. And the first policy we're going to do is prohibiting the users to accessing the control panels and PC settings. And to do that, we need go to the administrative templates and control panel. So you can see the prohibiting accessing the control panels and PC settings. We need to configure this and we need to enable and apply and okay. And after this, you need to restart your computers to automatically disable the policy that you set in your computer. This policy is helping the users to unauthorize changing the computer settings, and it will help the in a- and for the second policy is preventing the users to accessing the command prompt. And to do that, we need to go to the system and look to prevent the accessing command prompt. And to do that, we need to configure the preventing command prompt, and you need to enable, and also you need to yes to disable the command prompt and apply and okay. This policy is helping the users to preventing the harmful command in our computers. And for the third policy is denying all removable access storage in our computer. And to do that, we need to go to the removable storage access. And we're going to configure this all remove storage classes, deny all access. And to do that, we need to enable to disable the all removable storage in our computer. This policy is will help us to all removable storage like CDs, DVDs, flash drives, and USB, and it will it will help us to the preventing the malware infection and viruses in our computer and are in unauthorized data. And for the fourth policy, we're going to prohibiting installing the unwanted software in our computers. And to do that, we need to go at the computer configuration and administrative templates and go to the Windows component and Windows installer. To do that, we need to turn off our Windows installer so it will preventing to block the installer software. And to do that, we need to configure this enable and always disable so the users cannot install the other apps. And the second is we need to be hitting every users to install the unwanted software. So it will help us to protect our computers to viruses and other malwares in our computers. For the PIP policy, we're going to disable the guest account users in our computers. Um, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to the Windows settings and security settings. and local policies and security option. So we're going to go guest account status and we're going to disable this and and apply and okay. This policy is disabling the guest account, which is built account for temporary users, and disabling it enhance the security by preventing unauthorized access to the system. In number six policy, I will configure is do not display the password reveal button. So the first thing you need to do is you need to apply and enable and OK. This policy is will help to us to protect our data, to not reveal our password, so the unauthorized person cannot log in our account in our computer. Policy number 7 is preventing auto restart while scheduling update in our software. So to do that, we're going to do is going to administrative templates, then Windows components. So we're going to look the Windows update and manage end users experience. So to do that is we need to configure this turn off auto restart for updates during active hours. So we're going to enable, then it will automatically the active hours is automatically set up in 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. So we need to okay. And for the second is we need to configure the automatic updates in our computer. So this will help us to auto updates our computers. And okay, and this and after this we're going to specify the active hours range for restarts computers. So this will be when we enable this will be automatically set up in max range or the standard time that they need. So we're going to apply and okay. And this policy is preventing stop the automatically restart during the scheduled update and ensures that users are not interrupted during the important tasks. And for the last topic is the audit policies. So where you can see the audit policies, go to the Windows settings and security settings and local policies and audit policy. So these policies is you can check the login events, account management, directory services, login events, object access and change policies and privilege to use, and processing, tracking, and system events. This policy is set up tracking users in such a logins and file access, and it's important for monitoring and investigating the events. And to do that is we need to configure this and success. So it will be automatically attempt as a login events. So apply, then okay. And that's for all the video for today's video. So thank you very much.